The tower. It has been worshipped for years. Every time the horns of beauty blares, all the townspeople must worship or else. One day the horns of beauty blew, and everyone bowed, except Bill, Steve, and Gary.
Bow, or wrath shall be upon you.
Nah,
Nope.
dog.
No.
Fine, to the wheel of misfortune it is. Now watch my presentation of death. Or Sandcrawler to death. Stuffed in the closet with Fluffy. Getting smooshed. Shot by a cannon. Eaten by the Sarlacc pit. Taken apart. I choose the fiery furnace. Guards fired up. Let's see if they need more time to cook. What? You're still alive? How is this possible? Well, sign me up. I believe in Jesus now. I solemnly swear I will follow Jesus now. Go destroy the statue, my minions. And we'll get these fellas some nice new clothes. I pronounce you people of Awesome Sauce.